Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your messenger photos to your phone's gallery. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. So first, open the Facebook app and tap the three lines at the top right if you're using Android. If you're using iOS, just tap the three lines at the bottom right corner. And then after that, go to Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. And then tap the Account Center. And now, scroll down and you'll see your information and permissions. Tap on that and then click Access to your information. And after that, scroll down, then tap Download your information. And select where you want it to be sent. After that, click Next. And on the next page, just tap the specific types of information and here you'll see your informations. So just choose the one you want to download. So right now, we're only checking the messages. And then after that, click Download to Device and scroll to the bottom and tap Create File. And Facebook will now prepare your data. It usually takes a few hours, and once it's ready, go to the available copies and tap Download. And that's it. All your messenger photos will be saved to your device and viewable in your gallery. And that's it. All your messenger photos will be saved to your device and viewable in your gallery. Thanks for watching.